Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Ha ka janme jong ka arpo hundre tere gubnai naitung arhajar arpo ar UMLA jong ka Mausan Ram constituency uba Himalayan Muktan Shangpliang ulalai Jngoh iki Nongtrei jong ka GVK EMRI-108 ki badang yai peteng ya ka jingya ki hakmat ka office trai kam jong ki ka badan halamali Shillong khnang ban tip ya ki jing'e ki jong ki kamtam ha ka baya dei bat ka jing seu ya ka tulom ka jing duna jong ki Nongtrei hapo ka ne ka tanat ka baju ai jing yarap haba ki pat ba ki don kam ni ki jingerap bakrke baro ar phusau kinta haga jingya kren bat ki lat pathai khubor ba Shangpliang ula penpau ye jing snolem yaki bat bo jing keliru ye ka sarkar jella halor ka jingle klut ye ki jingdawa jong ki Nongtrei khamtam hadin bakila long ki ratba ki balano senyang shikat dai e min ba ka jella Meghalaya kala sha linshop haga jing pangklam COVID-19
ki call ki bak sak kun swat bangim yo ban pe because of the number of people bashim ni call kan so ni dan tang khat wing ngot ki nok shim call ham tai kita khat wing ngot la phia into 3 shift sometimes we done 3 to 4 people in one shift so out of 3 to 4 people i wait la weekly off i wait take emergency leave ni sak stak arngot then nak take arngot kadan kan level 1 but kan level 2 but the level 1 kadi tau level 1 kan bashim call all over Meghalaya so at the same time ki beri ki call jika call free nama batai.
Call bagi panjingerap.
Oh, dia panjingerap.
Ban ambulans.
Oh, aku manganga sim call hang tu ngai ipet kini. Ngadang don syubu ngadang call with someone ngadang ha pendap itu ba call dengan hap you bersen di ke ambulance itu. Somehow they got through the 108 line rumah. Yo ikut ke 108 line dulu. Tang ba pandang ila call bat Shafil. There is no EMT, there's no pilot, no manpower. Kita ngi dan bat ki proof sa.
Balik mundur Shafil kita.
Duna apa lah? Cost cutting of the company.
Long hajaka gitu ki kanutali ambulans de mundur post saupo.
Kat tu kat Nyopo.
Nyopo. Mentak hakat no gidon on the road.
Minta menhakan ni baki la penmi ikini ki ambulans temai ni la London kumbasan tu try 8 tu try something like that.
Itu ki port.
Akapun mensyuari kita sebut kenang prangwat so that one goes for weekly off, one emergency leave bidang dan ringut kan. And ringut tiki along ke minimum number of people kan along hoi kan di bandan ni kan ta. Dan kumtatin no one will miss kan.
What is this cell called?
The Emergency Response Center.
Emergency Response Center.
The phone 108 public.
Kadang yang sebut tentang phone 108. Kamu the phone 108 kan one shapi.
Oh, we are the first responder.
Demi pada pinsa phone ya pilot kilik show entah.
Belum nearest kan.
Teman-teman pi receive call naka state berhoi marwai.
Oh, alun.
Oh, then
Kadang-kadang sa
kadang-kadang kibri kimyo ikani service. Di kadang kan level 2 amsa. Shubo ini kini kakam shubo ngidan arngot dei iwe shang level 1 level 2. Di katuk abandon call ka let check is that to call back that call abandon di call hoy. Ki call gitu perkala dadog dan ki emergency hang tu tementang alang piu we kat ban poi sha utu khandai shispa em wang la anda di bayak patient ru layak. Di kata fi reason bagi
shubo don ka major accident. Now suddenly menta pihak rush 108. Temu lada long abandon call katuk accident tu beri layak surong.
That's what. Kat bangin patient tu Jngoh la biang call ye PCR mentoi re layak patient layak. Long itu ki level 2 di ki beri bangi hap sap ke jing hala jong ki patient long jong ki caller ki ba calling ni kan. Di la long no ki badan pade ngi sak torture. Long
work overtime.
Overtime kata ke overtime duk ndan ba ai. Ndan ba pay kan. So there is no overtime plus nang talong ka pressure kan long yaki sibuk ke mga menta. Di sa di banan ringot ban sim call hang tu marwe nga sim call jong paro khat berkat kalan one back to back kalan ka tu ka call kipat ba kalong kalakta kipat ba te na marbon kipat ba ki phone yang ni
dia pengen the call ya kita dia bantu calls ki bosses
kini nang ni ti I manipulated report bet chat shock soka ka you bet namar kim dan ti any other complaint number we can complain can complain 108 the 108 is belongs to these people only belong you. Everything the report they send to the Euro nama kat kum ka Yuli number of call takers ni dan tangkat ta report.
Hoi hangi kipat ba ni sosok abang i phone 108 Shipang la poi ka ambulance ban kit iki bahiang bahasem ban Leit ban Raj hospital. Ndre ngimtip ba pleng kini kiju ki perlok ki bawan ban yarap yangi ban kit ban ba ya ki bahiang bahasem hakapor ke emergency ki yarap ya phi ne yanga da ka jing sul diaw ka mesim joki. Ka jing diaw balai ba ka sarkar kam sngap ya ki jing dawa joki. Menta kamdei kasin ka benengkong ba kini ki perlok kia strike kumni ngilayo i man usnem man ka ngribenai kini ki Leit bandawan ka sarkar ya ka hop joki. Ka sarkar ka sngap man ka sarkar ka le kelut ka syuai ki assurances ba kaong ngindang eksamin ngindang pe. Andre hadu menta ka ni klip mat ro ka sarkar tang shikhulam ro kampat proit dak hangno banle ya kan no ka kam banirap ikini ki perlok juga. Ngaso diaw bat ngaso don ke jingdom hapo mesim namar ba ke sarkar kala use yakini ki Nongtrei jongi but kala overuse yaki beyond the timings paki ki de hok Nongtrei perlok be phi la ban yo sngo na ka sentur jongini ki Nongtrei bahaka emergency response center kabadai bandon ngriwot ki Nongtrei hakoi ka shift idon tang iway iban Trei ban receive ban pick up ya ka calls jong phi haba phipan ya ka jingerap haba phi dial 108 idon tang iway iban yo ban receive ki call jong phi bat lada itne iba up ya ka call jong phi idang engage hakoi ka line kamut ka to ka way ka call ka ba phi call de se kinum la ban pick up namar ba idang bun ktien shaway ban pha jingerap shaway kamut ha ka to ka emergency ba le lada don kam ya 108 phinum la ban yo ka sarkar kala de ban bu ngriungut per shift ha ka ne ka duty baki khot ka emergency response center kumbang itip mangi menta don tang iwe ibatrei ine ita ibatrei idon kam ban Leit bam idon kam break imla ba insyong ar pusaw kantahan to ban receive ki calls kay kadaw baka sarkar kasnap kay kadaw baka sarkar kale klut kale matla iki berkhoy kini te kila Leit ban pensko bang idon kam brew idon kam manpower hakan ka emergency response center. Why is the government quiet? Why is the government silent? Is the department officials deaf or are they blind? How can only one person man the emergency response center? Whereas there should have been 6 personnel manning phone calls from all over the state. Ka 108 emergency service center ka day for the whole state. Haba phone 108 kala bandai na Bakmara, kala bandai na Phulbari, kala bandai na Kriariat, kala bandai nangno any corner of the state ka one shwa hakani ka emergency response center. How can one person attend calls from all over the state? I want the department officials to answer this to me. Whereas there should have been 6 people who are manning this center per shift. There is only 1 person manning this center. Immediate action has to be taken and immediate replacement has to be done and recruitment has to be done by placing, as per the norms, shift-wise 6 personnel round the clock in this emergency response center. This is what I demand from the government and from the health department, that action should be taken immediately on this. Why is GVK EMRI services getting poorer day by day? I have a strong doubt. There is a lot of cost cutting here.
Yes.
The management of the GVK EMRI is cutting cost by not employing personnel as per norms. Now, as per ambulance, there should have been 6 people to do the shift. Per shift, 6 people should be running the ambulance. We have just 2 people running the ambulance now. Who is cutting the cost here? Can I ask the health department to inquire into this matter? I would like the health department to go deeper into all these malpractices done by the GVK EMRI, and thereby causing all our friends here to suffer, to perform duties. Kadno idap dakajing sokmen but ngidei ban ai ka buram syakini ki Nongtrei Jngoh 108 bah ars nem kapor covid mano balik ban kit ban ba yaki met yap mano balik ban kit ban wanra yaki nongpang bayo covid naki sinong baper ban wanra si hospital amdei kini kini ki parlok kila res yaka jingim jongki bakin syakri yangi ki pai ba mentah anda asuk ke pertai ngin lek no ikini balai ke sarkar kamatla ya ke jingtrei sitom jong kini ars nem kini ngiyo i de tangki 108 sisa ki bakit bapa ya ubah pangru tu ya ubah yap ru kini tanda lamenta apa dia himsngap ya ke jing dawa jong kini PI khatsan hajar lump sum salary ki these personals are paid 15,000 per month lump sum, irrespective or whatever services they perform. A pilot gets 15,000, a paramedic gets 15,000, a personnel who has been here for the last 10 years in the service gets 15,000, a personnel who has just joined 1 month back gets 15,000. I don't see any logic here. I do not see any logic. I do not understand what are the parameters that the GVK EMRI is introducing, what are the parameters that the government is introducing, that there is no uniformity in the payment of salary, nor do they get any increments, nor do they get any TA nor DA. And what is happening? Why is the government not listening to these people? They are also our brothers and sisters. They are our children. They need to be taken care of. I urge upon the government that as much as you had the chief minister, the health minister, everybody had shown accolades and praised other services who have performed their duties during COVID, these 108 personnel also, they deserve that same kind of accolades, same kind of appreciation for all the sacrifices that they have done during these 2 years of COVID. These people are the ones who carried the dead bodies. These are the ones who carried the sick, the COVID patients from the respective villages to the hospitals. And how can we ignore them now? How can we not listen to their pains, their agonies? I urge upon the Chief Minister, I urge upon the Health Minister to kindly look into this matter, to kindly ponder on the agonies, on the pains of all these friends who are on strike here. There are a lot of malpractices that is happening in the functioning of the GVK EMRI. This has to be reviewed and this has to be corrected. All the posts that are vacant, the emergency response center needs to be looked into because there's only one manpower that is running the whole state receiving calls. This is not fair. Di namar kata nga kentu ya ka sarkar ba kan immediately ban penbet ya kan ikakam kenang ba kini ki parlok jungi kinlek lakajong ka duty upat ba manta u shitom u jenjar namar ba aba u phone 108 omdan ambulance banlet bankit ban ba iki baro ki brio jungi ki badon sanong kendom kimla ban yo ya ka services Jngoh 108 ki hap siu pisa shibon banlet ban siu ki ambulance ki ba yai private te mentra lada kini ki ambulance na ka 108 ki syong sa kum ni mano pangle rap ya ki pai ba jungi ki bahasor lan ki bahanong kandong